2 doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech or the AstraZeneca Covid-19 vaccines are highly effective against hospitalization from the Delta variant of the coronavirus, according to a new analysis from Public Health England released Monday. The variant, which was first identified in India, has become the predominant strain in the United Kingdom. A previous analysis from Pfi suggested that a single dose of the vaccine was less effective against symptomatic illness caused by the Delta variant compared to the so-called Alpha variant, or B.1.7, which swept the UK in the winter. The new analysis found that 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine were 96% effective against hospitalization from the Delta variant, and 2 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine were 92% effective. The second shot is critical, said Dr. Paul Offit, a vaccine researcher at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. We know from the Phase 1 studies that the second shot induces a level of virus-specific neutralizing antibodies that's about tenfold greater than that after the first dose. The Pfi analysis included 14,019 cases caused by the Delta variant in England, 166 of which resulted in hospitalizations, from April 12 to June 4. These vaccines have had all along stunning efficacy, at least in this case against hospitalization, said Dr. Gregory Poland, director of the Mayo Clinic's Vaccine Research Group in Rochester, Minnesota. Health officials urged residents to get their second dose when it's their turn. It is absolutely vital to get both doses as soon as they are offered to you, to gain maximum protection against all existing and emerging variants, Dr. Mary Ramsay, head of immunization at Pfi, said in a statement. The new data certainly suggests that full vaccination is really important for this particular variant, said Angela Rasmussen, a virologist at the University of Saskatchewan's Vaccine and Infectious Disease Organization. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla expressed confidence about how the Pfizer vaccine fared against the Delta variant on CBS This Morning on Monday. "We will not need a special vaccine for it," he said. "The current vaccine should cover it." The Pfi analysis provides real-world evidence for how well the vaccines work against the Delta variant. A lab study published last week in the Lancet, which focused on the Pfizer vaccine, found that levels of neutralizing antibodies, which fight off the virus, were nearly 6 times lower against the Delta variant when compared to the original virus. The same study also found a reduction, though not as steep, in antibodies against the Alpha variant, compared with the original virus. But these lab studies don't always translate directly to the real world. For example, a real-world study found the Pfizer vaccine to be highly effective against the Alpha variant in Qatar. Indeed, experts advise caution when interpreting lab studies about the immune system.